Well, hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you cupcake nail art design step by step guide. Let's move to step number 1, bursting with sweetness and completely guilt free. This yummy design is inspired by your favorite bakery treat. Number 1 step is start by painting your nails with a bright blue nail polish. Step number 2, using a nail art brush and a black nail polish. Draw a thick horizontal line at the bottom of the ring finger nails. This will be the bottom of your cupcake. Number 3 step, using a nail art brush and a brown nail polish. Draw thick vertical lines within the black area. Step number 4, using a dotting tool and light pink nail polish, place large dots in a pyramid shape on top of the cupcake. This will be the frosting on the cupcake. Number 5 step is using a dotting tool and a light pink nail polish. Place small dots on the remaining nails. Step number 6, using a nail art brush and a white nail polish. Draw thin vertical lines on the frosting. Repeat this step using a bright pink nail polish. These will be the cupcake's sprinkles. Repeat all the steps in your next hand nails. If any nail polish landed on your skin, remove with thinner or nail polish remover as well. Step number 7 and final step, finally apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Thank you very much for watching my video.